Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting handbag reveal, and it's a Chanel bag. This bag is not on my wish list. It's actually a bag that I've had my eye on for a while. I just could never find the right size and color until I was on Fashion File and I came upon it. And I couldn't be more excited. This is from the 2017 season, so just keep in mind that this is not in stores anymore, but it makes a perfect addition to my neutral handbag collection. And let's just get right into the reveal. I'm Jamie. I do videos on luxury handbag reviews and a lot of neutrals on this channel. I love it if you guys would like and subscribe. Here we have the Deville Tote. This bag is the Chanel Deville in the large size with the understated sequins in the front. And this is the 39 centimeter size. This is a beautiful brown tan color, I would call it. And I think it's just a beautiful, casual, chic type of bag. Great for travel and makes really the perfect beach bag. This one came in excellent condition. The only wear it said was a slight mark on the handle. Otherwise, it was perfection. And I love how this tote has more of the understated sequins with the Chanel. And I know a lot of them have the embroidery at the front. Again, I'm more into an understated type of look for my handbags. Close up. I believe the Devilles came out in 2012, and I've been a big fan ever since. Like I said, I've been looking for the perfect Deville tote for some time. I just never could find the right one. I think it goes beautifully with all the caramels and browns and tans and beige color bags back there. Why buy the book tote and the Deville tote? So I decided to add this to my collection, even though I already had the book tote. I am a Chanel diehard. You guys know that. And they are different prints. Plus, I love a top handle with the strap. And I think it gives me another great option. And right now I have my Dior book tote organizer just to help give it shape. You have more interior pockets here. And it looks very roomy. I would think that I may even have more room in this tote just due to the shape. And like I said, I have a organizer, which I will be ordering for this Deville tote. But what I notice is when I put that same organizer into this bag, it doesn't fill all the way to the top. So I think that when I get the Samorga organizer, it will help fill it up and just add even more structure. I think the brown canvas will help minimize any wear and tear versus more of a white or a light beige color. I would love to do a comparison between the book tote and this Deville tote once I've been able to use it over time. How to wear the bag. This tote has some great functionality with having the strap and the top handle, so you can wear it a couple different ways. You can wear this as a shoulder bag with the strap, or you can just hold it as a top handle bag. Now this tote does not have a zipper top. It's pretty open, but it does have a magnetic closure. Style. This bag for me is definitely more of a casual bag. I'm excited to take this on my trips to Napa and Sonoma and just weekend getaways. it can be very difficult finding the perfect Deville tote, as I was looking for the perfect color and size and an excellent condition. There's been some occasions where I've been very close, but then I held off, and it wasn't until this one came about. There's actually one on Fashion File right now, and I'll make sure I'll link some similar ones below. Okay guys, well that is it for this video. Are you guys a Deville fan? What do you think about my latest handbag to my collection? I love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And with that, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.